Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Stem. Stem means main body or stalk of plant or shrub. For example, cut back the old stems to around ground level then, and give the plants a feed. Cut back the old stems to around ground level then, and give the plants a feed. Synonyms: trunk, stalk, stalk.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Cut back the old stems to around ground level then, and give the plants a feed. Now, repeat after me. Cut back the old stems to around ground level then, and give the plants a feed. The second exemplar. Variables included the number of stems and percent plant cover in the shrub, subcanopy, and canopy layers. Now, repeat after me. Variables included the number of stems and percent plant cover in the shrub, subcanopy, and canopy layers. The third exemplar. Older studies noted that runners, stolons or prostrate stems of many plants became more erect when shaded. Now, repeat after me. Older studies noted that runners, stolons or prostrate stems of many plants became more erect when shaded.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Time is the most commonly used noun in English. Although, this can't be taken as a definitive answer because usages change every day, and the results are based on a single study conducted by Oxford Online.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.